kite there for a minute. We took a kite out today. It didn't even have a chance. It did not have a chance. It was in the tree. It was on the roof.
Yeah.
It's gone. It's gone. I don't know where it is now.
Too much of a good thing today. Tomorrow the kite will be blowing a different direction in the afternoon anyway after that front comes in. The winds may even be stronger than they were today behind that front. And when the weather's colder, that makes the wind chill factor come into play. We haven't talked about that much since last winter, but we will by tomorrow night. Today, well, it's never been warmer on the 24th of November, at least out at the airport, than today. 87 degrees, a record high temperature after a record warm morning low of 72 this morning. A lot of clouds filling the sky right now, but no precipitation on the radar. It's 81 degrees currently. And by 10 o'clock tonight, we're still at 73 as low clouds begin to fill in across the city. Upper 70s and low 80s. It is warm all across our central Texas area right now. Mostly cloudy as well here in central parts of the state. The cold front not yet into Texas, but it is approaching the Texas Panhandle right now. As a result, 64 in Amarillo, 82 in Dallas, 84 degrees down in Laredo, warm everywhere, but you can see the colder air is plunging southward now through the Rockies and through the plains, and again the leading edge moving through the Oklahoma Panhandle at this hour. Well, as the front approaches tonight, we will see a chance for a few scattered showers, mainly some light drizzle like we've been seeing the last few nights and early mornings. Here we are at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. This is our clouds and radar timeline for you. We believe at that hour the front will be making progress into or maybe through the hill country. With this green here represents simulated radar, and so there could be some rain there. Here we are at 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Some showers, maybe a couple of isolated thunderstorms possible even in the metro area, as the front should be moving, if not into, maybe through the metro area by 1 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. And then by 7 p.m. tomorrow night, when the Longhorns are kicking off, that front will be out of our viewing area. It'll be south of San Antonio, and it will continue to progress on off the coast tomorrow night, with skies clearing tomorrow night, meaning some cold and windy weather for Friday morning, but decreasing wind and milder temperatures for Friday afternoon, and then a hard freeze for Friday night. Now, for those of you going to the ballgame, number one, if you're running in the turkey trot tomorrow morning, it's going to be fine. Warm, humid, maybe a little light fog, maybe some patchy drizzle, but the cold front's not here yet. But by tomorrow evening, when the Longhorns kick off here at DKR at 7 o'clock, temperatures may already be falling into the 40s at that hour, if not just barely into the 50s, but certainly through the game, falling through the 40s with north winds at 15 to 25. So if you're sitting in that upper deck, I mean, I would want layers, I would want a hoodie, I would want probably a scarf to wrap around my face at times. Maybe the north end zone might not be a bad place to be in this particular game tomorrow night with your back to that wind. 81 degrees right now and mostly cloudy. South-southeast winds, they're gusty at 13 to 23. Mold count today, medium. Shouldn't be any higher than that tomorrow. There's the big winter storm winding up that's sending the cold air down our way. Travel problems in the Midwest that I've also detailed on our blog today on KXAN.com. Our lows tonight near 70. Highs tomorrow, well, this is kind of irrelevant. These are morning temperatures, then we begin falling. 69 overnight tonight with low clouds, south winds. Let's go drizzle to start the day tomorrow and some fog. Early afternoon dropping back into the low 60s. Late afternoon falling into the 50s with increasing north winds. That means 40s in the hill country with wind chills in the 30s even before dark. And then that will trend will continue through the night tomorrow night. By Friday morning, we're at 35. That's in Austin. That's a freeze in the hill country. Hard freeze Saturday morning in the hill country, 30 in Austin. And then a warming trend begins, but another cold front on Monday. Robert, Leslie?
Thanks so much.